Hey, this is Seth from Legacy Handcraft. If you're watching this, you most likely just purchased or just received one of Legacy Handcraft's cabinet beds. Just wanted to give you a couple tips to consider when opening and closing the bed.
Start out by lifting the top panel. While keeping pressure on the front panel with one hand to help the hooks release more easily, reach down into the bed and find the hook release with your other hand and press it. The small shocks help the front panel open softly on its own. Carefully lower the main panel down to the floor. Pull the legs up. Using the center handle, pull the final panel up and out, and then pull out the mattress. To close the bed, fold up and push the mattress back in. Lift the first panel and use the center handle to lay down. Make sure the spring-loaded levers are pulled away from the leg. Using both hands, press the levers simultaneously to release the legs and fold them flat. Using the handles, lift the main panel up and close the upper panel firmly until you hear the hooks latch. Close top.
So that's it, pretty straightforward. If you have any questions about anything further, feel free to reach out to us through legacyhandcraft.com.